Do you find yourself worrying for no reason? Oh, I totally relate. My name is Jennifer Harmony and I'm here to guide you in some EFT tapping to help you release this chronic worry that you seem to be feeling. So tapping on the back side of your hand, taking a deep breath into your belly. Good job. So repeating back after me, we're just going to acknowledge some of the negative thoughts because that's actually how EFT works most effectively. So repeating back after me. I worry all the time. Between the eyebrows. I feel like I'm just worrying every waking minute. Down to the sides of the eyes. So much of my time is taken up by worrying. Under the eyes. I love and accept myself. Even though I worry so much. Under the nose. I love and forgive myself for constantly worrying. Tapping under the lips. Part of me only knows how to stress about everything. Tapping to the chest. I've been stressing and worrying since I was a kid. Under the ribs. I don't know who I would be if I didn't stress and worry so much. Deep breath. To the side of the body. I love and forgive myself for worrying all the time. I love and forgive myself for worrying so much. Tap into the wrist. Part of me thinks that if I stop worrying, then so many more bad things are going to happen. To the back side of the hand. But what if it's actually true that worrying so much and holding that frequency of worry and stress and anxiety in my body is actually creating situations and attracting worry to me. Tapping up to the top of the head. Deep breath. I wonder if it's possible that if I was able to feel calmer and more relaxed, that things would go better in my life. Between the eyebrows. I look at some of my chilled friends and I realize that they don't have so many stressful situations to deal with. Eyebrows. I love and forgive myself for stressing so much. Under the eyes. And I'm open to releasing this pattern of worrying. Deep breath. Under the nose. This pattern of worrying that I got. Who did you get it from? Mum or dad? Pretty much choose. Or whoever it was that raised you. Tapping under the lips. I watched Mum, say whoever it is, I'm going to say Mum. I watched Mum stress all the time. Tapping to the chest. And so when I was a child, I just believed that it was normal to be stressed all the time. Front of the ribs, deep breath. I just thought it was normal to be stressed. To the side of the body. I thought it was normal to stress. I thought that worrying was the normal reaction. To the wrist. I thought that worry and stress was how to deal with every situation. Tapping to the back side of the hand. And I love and forgive this younger version of me that started to worry at an early age. Tapping up to the top of the head. Just connecting with that younger version of you. And let's just say to that child inside of you, I am so sorry that you had so much to worry about. Between the eyebrows. You're just a kid. I'm sorry you're worried so much. Between the eyebrows. But I'm here to reassure you. Under the eyes. And I'm here to support you. Tapping under the nose. I'd like you to share your worries with me. Tapping under the lips so I can reassure you and support you. Deep breath. You're doing great. Stay with me. I know this can be quite intense. Tapping down to the chest. I love and accept myself. And I'm making a powerful choice. I am choosing to release this pattern of worrying. Front of the ribs. I am choosing to release this habit of worrying. To the side of the body. I am ready to be so much more relaxed in my life. To the wrist. I am ready to feel relaxed and happy, peaceful and calm. Backside of the hand. Because the truth is, when I am relaxed, I actually have better ideas and solutions. And life is so much more easy. So I am making a powerful choice to release this old way of being. Now let's say it was conviction. I release this pattern of overthinking and worrying all the time. Tapping up to the top of the head. And I'm giving that part of me a new job. Between the eyebrows, deep breath. I love and accept myself. Tapping to the sides of the eyes. And I am ready to meet the version of me that is relaxed and confident. Tapping under the eyes. That trusts that everything is working out for me. Under the nose. Everything is working out for me. Tapping under the lips. It's possible that as I start to believe that everything is working out for me, tapping to the chest, that everything starts working out for me. What if it really is that simple? Tapping to the front of the ribs. I love and forgive myself for all the years or decades of constantly stressing. To the side of the body. I'm letting it go now. Deep breath. And I'm starting to identify as a relaxed person. To the wrist. I love and respect myself exactly as I am. And it is safe for me to relax now. Backside of the hand. It's safe for me to relax now. Top of the head. It is safe for me to relax. Between the eyebrows. Inner peace is my superpower. Sides of the eyes. Inner peace is my superpower. Under the eyes. I'm letting my whole body and nervous system relax now. Under the nose. I love and accept myself. Under the lips. And I'm ready to let life be more easy now. Tapping down the arms and the chest, the legs. I am ready to let life be easy. Good job making it all the way to the end. Please leave me a little comment, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Your comments mean so much to me, not just because I love reading how these videos are for you, but also because it means more people are able to see these videos. So it's a great way for you to give back and to support the work that I'm doing. So thank you. And I have a 5-day free tapping challenge. Please sign up if you haven't already. It is an amazing way to release stress and actually to build a practice of tapping and to learn how to do it more effectively and to create more love for yourself and confidence. And the most powerful offering I have is working together with you one-on-one to go back into your subconscious mind, figure out the patterns, the ways of being that aren't serving you anymore, and to actually write a new story for yourself. And yeah, feel free from the things that happened in your past. You don't need to carry that anymore. I have a course where you can learn how to do tapping by yourself. There's loads of other stuff. It's all in the comments down below. And until next time, remember that every single part of you is worthy of love.